100 squats a day, 30 days straight, 0 days off. That's the challenge I gave myself. I'm giving you the real results. You'll get the exact lessons, so you don't waste a single rep. Lesson 1. The form breakdown. Most people think more squats means better squats, but it's actually caused by fatigue wrecking your form late in the set. By rep 70, my knees caved in, and my depth got lazy. Fixing this taught me that quality always beats quantity. Here's how to do it. Break your 100 reps into smaller clusters. Do 20 reps, then rest 30 seconds. Check your knees track over your toes. Drop your hips to at least 90 degrees. Reset your posture before every cluster. Aim for 5 sets of 20 reps. This is how you protect your knees while scaling volume. Lesson 2. The plateau trap. Most people expect daily squats to build muscle fast, but it's actually caused by doing the same movement with zero progression. By day 12, my legs adapted and stopped changing. Adding variation is what finally broke the plateau. Here's how to do it. Swap in jump squats for explosive power. Add a 3-second pause at the bottom. Try sumo squats with feet wider than hips. Rotate variations every 5 to 7 days. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps per variation. This is how you force your legs to keep adapting. Lesson 3. The recovery debt. Most people think daily training means daily progress, but it's actually caused by skipping recovery your muscles desperately need. By week 2, my soreness stacked up and never fully cleared. Respecting recovery is what kept me from burning out completely. Here's how to do it. Foam roll your quads for 60 seconds. Stretch your hip flexors for 30 seconds per side. Sleep at least 7 hours every night. Hydrate with at least 2 liters of water daily. Aim for 10 minutes of recovery work daily. This is how you train hard without breaking down. Lesson 4. The core connection. Most people think squats only work your legs, but it's actually caused by ignoring the core bracing that protects your spine. Once I focused on bracing, my lower back pain disappeared completely. This single cue changed every single rep after that. Here's how to do it. Inhale deep into your belly before descending. Brace your core like bracing for a punch. Keep that tension through the entire squat. Exhale only at the top of the rep. Aim for this cue on all 100 daily reps. This is how you squat without wrecking your back. Lesson 5. The real results. Most people expect dramatic transformations from one exercise, but it's actually caused by unrealistic expectations, not bad effort. After 30 days, my legs got noticeably stronger and more defined. My endurance also jumped. 100 reps felt easy by day 30. This taught me consistency beats intensity every time. Here's how to do it. Track your reps every single day without skipping. Take progress photos every 7 days. Test your squat endurance at day 1, 15, and 30. Compare your form on video, not just numbers. Aim for 30 consecutive days, no exceptions. This is how you measure real progress, not hype. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.